Fixing a loose outlet is easy. See how this entire receptacle, including the faceplate, is moving? It's annoying and can be a hazard if it's not secured. Typically, I'd first shut off the power to this outlet, but I'm going to use some insulated screwdrivers instead. To start, remove the main screw and detach the faceplate. And here you can see the problem. The screws holding the receptacle to the wall box are loose. Sometimes it's just one, but other times both will need to be tightened. And that's really all you need to do. Just tighten these screws down and it will no longer move. Now this fix is different than if the actual outlet slots are loose. That's a whole different problem, which would require the replacement of the receptacle. But the fix I just showed you is very easy to do even if you have no experience. And I'll list the insulated screwdrivers I used in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.